We've been running this Industry Innovators Forum since June 2012. Before we get on with the program, I wanted to acknowledge quickly some of the success of a prior presenting company, Innovate CV, and we have Adam Lewis, the Chief Executive Officer, here to briefly touch upon the success they have had with their Apploy platform. Adam Lewis, CEO of Innovate CV and Apploy. Where's Adam?
So who was here in 2012? Anyone besides me? Do you remember what I said then? Well, we definitely beat all of our expectations and projections. We've had a really, really phenomenal couple of years, and I think it's best to speak about the mic. About a year ago, we launched a new product called Apploy. No, you can't hear me. So about a year ago, we launched a new product called Apploy. And without going into too much detail, this is really the first way that people can apply to a job completely on a mobile phone. And you might ask yourself, why would someone want to apply to a job on a mobile phone? Well, by next year, across the board, this will be the preferred way that people are browsing the internet. And for 100 million Americans, they don't have access to a computer. And that's a staggering number. There's 60 million Americans who don't have a computer at home. And therefore, they don't have access to jobs. So what we have created is a platform for retail, hospitality companies and beyond. That was our initial focus, to be able to reach people that they've never ever been able to reach before. The likes of Cinnabon, Auntie Anne's, Westfield, Nike, Uniqlo. We have over 800 companies in 1 year. So we've had 800 companies signed up from, I think, 50% Fortune 100 companies. We have 25,000 people joining our community every single month. And we just had tremendous success. What is different about us? Well, right until we came along, only 3% of Fortune 500 companies had a way that you could apply to a job on a mobile phone. I know because I went undercover here in New York about a year and a half ago. I walked into a McDonald's, who's now one of our companies, and I said, I want to apply to a job. And after 6 people that it took to tell me how to apply, I was handed a little piece of paper from the register saying going to mcdonalds.com careers. Took out my phone, I went there, and I couldn't apply because it wasn't optimized for a smartphone. So what we have done, by optimizing our technology for any device, plus iPad kiosks. Why iPad kiosks? Because people don't even have a smartphone. So now, as of last week, if you go to a Westfield mall, you will see our kiosks inside the food courts, right? Because if you go to a mall and want to apply to one of the stores, until now you've got to go store to store asking for a job application. These companies are shutting off revenue-generating space. It's a horrible experience. You're getting a form, you're filling out a paper resume, you're not saying anything about a candidate. Now you can actually go to this kiosk directly to the food court and apply to any store you want inside the mall. Also, we've actually rethought the application. So rather than a black and white piece of paper representing yourself, we use video and audio to show companies about the skills that they really need to see in this type of customer service role. How good is it to know how good you are at school? You want to see how the person's going to interact with customers. So through our app, you can listen to an angry customer. I've been waiting in line for 5 minutes, and then it flicks back a video on your phone, and you've got to say how you're going to calm down that customer. So I think through an amazing team, really good timing, and really good technology, we've been very lucky to make a really good impact to date. And I just wanted to show one video that kind of sums it up in like 20 seconds.
No, sir.
And so like the point is, that bartender, you would never have seen like what he could have been capable of by walking in and filling out a paper application. Every single Tuesday, we launch a new video showcasing a different skill, how it looks on a ploy compared to how it looks in a paper application. So watch out for our videos. I'd love to connect with you guys more tonight. I've got like a bunch of my team here. A big shout out to the guys. Say hello.
Hey.
And maybe I'll see you again next year. Thanks.
Thank you very much, Adam. I think, it also helps that everybody's working out like that, right?